En la Escuela de las Américas,
in the School of the Americas,
conocida muy popularmente por nosotros como la Escuela de los Asesinos,
known by us as the School of the Assassins,
en aquel entonces con sede en Panamá,
at that point in time with its office or its base in Panama,
asesores militares de los Estados Unidos
U.S. military advisors
le dan formación y enseñanza
were giving training and education
a oficiales, soldados y paramilitares
to officials, soldiers, and paramilitaries
cómo deben de gobernar con el miedo y el terror.
and how they should govern with fear and terror,
Crean escuadrones de la muerte
creating death squads
y asesinan a líderes religiosos,
and killing religious leaders,
sindicales,
union leaders,
de la guerrilla
of the guerrillas,
y toda oposición al régimen.
and all of the opposition to the regime.
Well, I want to welcome you all to Community Action for Justice in the Americas, CAJA. My name is Beth, and I'm on the board of CAJA, and I've also been the tour coordinator for the Missoula leg of the Committee in Solidarity with the People of El Salvador. The acronym is CSPIS. So I want to thank our co-sponsors to begin with, the Students for Peace and Justice, the Social Work Department, and Jeanette Rankin Peace Center, as well as some individual donors. CAJA meets 7 p.m. on Wednesdays, except when we have special events like tonight, at the Jeanette Rankin Peace Center, and it's 519 South Higgins. And the meetings are in the back, so you can enter through the back alley, and they're open to the public. We have a few announcements, and the first is November 16th at noon. We're going to meet at the X's on North Higgins to protest the School of the Americas located in Fort Bennings, Georgia. So we're trying to create like a mini Georgia here. And that day is significant because 6 Jesuit priests were murdered in El Salvador, as well as their housekeeper and her daughter on that day. And they were murdered by graduates of the School of the Americas. So we're gonna meet at noon and to basically do a funeral procession through downtown and end at Rehberg's office. And we're going to be passing around some information about the School of the Americas and this event. It's basically just to get them to close. There's House bill, it's HR, I believe 1217 right now. And this is to close the School of the Americas completely so that no further atrocities and human rights abuses can be caused by graduates of this school. And then also we're going to be having on November 20th at Jeanette Rankin Peace Center in the back, which is it's a Sunday, an education night on the FMLN, which is the National Liberation Front. And our speaker tonight is a part of that. His name is Wilfredo Berrios, and he is from El Salvador. And he's on a 10-city tour with CSPIS right now. He's about halfway through his tour. And he's part of the FMLN and also the Popular Social Bloc and a union, and he's going to be speaking about the current situation around CAFTA, the implementation of the CAFTA, which is the Central America Free Trade Agreement, since it did pass in his country. It's passed in every country, thus far except for Costa Rica at this point. He'll also be talking about the Police Academy, which is the acronym in Spanish is the ALEA, and we're going to be passing around some information about that, urging Condoleezza Rice not to let this police academy be opened in El Salvador. And then he'll end by talking about the natural disasters that have occurred in El Salvador over the past month and a half or so. And then last, there's going to be a delegation to El Salvador to witness the elections, the municipal elections in March. And so if you're interested in going on this delegation, you can speak to me afterwards, and we also will have some brochures. So now Wilfredo is going to come up and speak, and Scott will be translating for him.
Muy buenas noches.
Good evening.
Quiero agradecerles a ustedes que es un privilegio para mí
Would like to thank you. It's a privilege for me
compartir y externarles las experiencias de nuestros países en Centroamérica y El Salvador.
to be able to share with you the experiences that we have in Central America and in our country of El Salvador.
Antes de explicar la problemática del CAFTA y del ILEA,
And before explaining the problems of CAFTA and ALEA, which is the police academy,
quisiera irme años atrás,
I would like to go several years back
cuando las Américas dicen que fueron conquistadas
when the Americas, they say they were conquered
por los europeos.
by the Europeans.
Mas sin embargo, en lugar de conquistarnos, nos invadieron y nos saquearon nuestros territorios.
But instead of conquering us, they invaded us and they plundered our territories.
En el caso nuestro en Centroamérica y El Salvador,
In our case, in Central America and El Salvador,
por ahí hubo un personaje llamado Cristóbal Colón.
there was a person, Christopher Columbus.
Recogió a muchos hombres
He gathered together a lot of men
que en algunos casos habían estado encarcelados
that in some cases they had been in prison. Some of them had been in prison,
porque iban a iniciar una aventura
and they were going to start an adventure
a conocer el país de la India.
to be able to know or find the country of India.
Saliendo con sus carabelas, Cristóbal Colón,
And going out with his boats, Christopher Columbus,
tuvimos la desgracia de cruzarnos en su ruta
we had the misfortune of being in the way of his route.
y pensando que había llegado a las Indias,
And he was thinking that he had arrived to India,
a nuestra cultura indígena nos dijeron indios.
and then to our indigenous culture, he called them Indians.
Por supuesto, a partir de ese momento, violaron a nuestras mujeres,
And beginning at that time, they raped our women,
quitaron nuestra cultura,
took away our culture,
oro y plata,
our gold and silver,
y diferentes recursos naturales que teníamos en nuestros países.
and other natural resources that we had in our countries.
Por supuesto, la semilla de la lucha de nuestros indígenas
And obviously, the seed of the struggle of our indigenous people
se dio para tratar de independizarse de los españoles.
was to be able to try and become independent from the Spanish.
Hubo una rebelión
There was a rebellion
y tuvo mucho éxito
and had a lot of success
para independizarse de España.
to be able to be independent from Spain.
Pero aún existían países
But there still existed countries
que querían llevar el desarrollo y la conquista,
that wanted to be able to bring the development and the conquest.
y por ahí se acercaba a Inglaterra
And so England came there,
y por supuesto una nación naciente,
and obviously a recently born nation
sediento de poder,
that was thirsty for power,
se llamaban los Estados Unidos.
called the United States.
Nuestra lucha continuó
Our struggle continued,
y es así como en 1832,
and that's how 1800?
32,
And that's how in 1832
hay una nueva rebelión.
there's a new rebellion.
Los indígenas encabezan
The indigenous people led this,
una guerra
a war
en contra del sistema gubernamental.
against the governing system.
Por supuesto, hubieron muchos días y muchos meses de lucha.
And obviously there were a lot of days and months of struggle.
Cayó el ejército
The army fell
del gobierno de ese entonces,
of the government at that time,
pero al final
but at the end
masacraron
they massacred
a los indígenas
the indigenous people
y al líder indígena que los lideraba.
and the leader of the indigenous people.
Se llamaba Anastasio Aquino. Anastasio Aquino.
Anastasio Aquino was the indigenous leader.
Todavía continuábamos buscando independizarnos
And we continued struggling or looking to become independent.
y aún continuábamos buscando nuestra soberanía nacional.
We continue struggling for that independence and for our national sovereignty.
Y en 1932,
And then in 1932,
una nueva rebelión
another rebellion
encabezada por un líder indígena
led by an indigenous leader,
llamado José Feliciano Ama,
led by José Feliciano Ama,
acompañado de una figura histórica y valiente.
accompanied by a historical and brave figure
Se llamaba Farabundo Martí.
who was called Farabundo Martí.
Lo que se pedía era simple y sencillo:
What they were asking for was very simple:
devolver los territorios o terrenos a los campesinos e indígenas,
to return the territories and the land to the peasants and the indigenous people,
que ya no hubiera explotación,
and so there would not be any more exploitation.
se necesitaba vivienda digna
They needed dignified housing,
y que la pobreza no siguiera cubriendo el territorio nacional.
and that poverty would no longer continue to cover the national territory.
Este ejército de indígenas y campesinos
This army of indigenous and peasant people.
iba logrando vencer el ejército militar de aquel entonces.
¿Cómo?
Iba logrando vencer.
Okay, so it was being able to achieve the beating the army at that time.
Pero Estados Unidos se preocupó
But the United States became concerned
y necesitaba tener de la mano y que no cayera el sistema que él mismo había creado en El Salvador.
and so the United States needed to make sure that the system that it itself had put in place in El Salvador would not fall.
Mandó mucha ayuda en armamento al general Martínez
They sent a lot of military aid to General Martinez,
y masacraron más de 30,000 campesinos e indígenas,
and they massacred more than 30,000 peasants and indigenous people,
asesinando posteriormente a José Feliciano Ama y a Farabundo Martí.
and then killing José, ¿de nuevo José quién?
José Feliciano Ama.
José Feliciano Ama, gracias, and Farabundo Martí.
Continuábamos con el ideal de nuestra soberanía nacional
So that we continued with the ideal of our national sovereignty,
y queríamos mucha justicia social.
and we wanted a lot of social justice.
Teníamos que independizarnos
We had to become independent,
y precisamente del imperialismo de los Estados Unidos.
and exactly we had to become independent from the U.S. imperialism.
Muchos años después,
A lot of years later,
en 1980,
in 1980,
una nueva rebelión.
a new rebellion.
Se inicia la guerra civil en El Salvador,
The Civil War began in El Salvador,
en la cual nos involucramos muchos sectores de la vida nacional.
in which a lot of sectors of the national life became involved.
Campesinos,
Peasants,
estudiantes,
students,
maestros,
teachers,
trabajadores
workers,
y mucha gente en las diferentes ciudades y comunidades.
and a lot of people from the different cities and communities.
Pero de nuevo,
But again,
al ver la organización y el avance de la guerrilla,
seeing the organization and the advance of the guerrillas,
que era el FMLN,
which was the FMLN,
los Estados Unidos de nuevo se preocupa
the United States once again became worried
y gasta millones y millones de dólares
and spent millions and millions of dollars
en ayuda en armas para el ejército salvadoreño.
in aid and in arms for the Salvadoran military.
En la Escuela de las Américas,
In the School of the Americas,
conocida muy popularmente por nosotros como la Escuela de los Asesinos,
known by us as the School of the Assassins,
en aquel entonces con sede en Panamá,
at that point in time with its office or its base in Panama,
asesores militares de los Estados Unidos
U.S. military advisors
le dan formación y enseñanza
were giving training and education
a oficiales, soldados y paramilitares
to officials, soldiers, and paramilitaries
cómo deben de gobernar con el miedo y el terror.
on how they should govern with fear and terror,
Crean escuadrones de la muerte
creating death squads
y asesinan a líderes religiosos,
and killing religious leaders,
sindicales,
union leaders
de la guerrilla
of the guerrillas,
y toda oposición al régimen.
and all of the opposition to the regime.
De esta manera asesinan a Monseñor Romero en 1980,
In that way, they killed Archbishop Romero in 1980,
a unas religiosas estadounidenses
to U.S. Church workers,
y a sacerdotes jesuitas en noviembre en la ofensiva de la guerrilla FMLN.
and also in November of 89, the Jesuit priest during the offensive of the FMLN.
Mientras tanto, el movimiento social y sindical
And while this was going on, the union and popular movement
apoyaba popularmente la guerra civil
supported the Civil War
en las ciudades
in the cities
y en el campo.
and in the countryside.
La guerrilla avanza y en noviembre de 1989
The guerrillas were advancing, and in November of 1989,
se lanza una ofensiva
they launched an offensive
donde la guerra se lleva a las colonias y barrios de los ricos,
in which the war was brought into the neighborhoods of the rich.
y de esta manera
And in that way,
el ejército de la derecha
the right-wing army
y del capitalismo
and the army of capitalism
comienza a temblar.
began to shake.
El ejército es ineficiente e incapaz de detener la ofensiva.
The army was inefficient and incapable of detaining the offensive.
Y de nuevo la injerencia de las administraciones de los Estados Unidos.
And once again, the intervention of the administrations from the United States.
Y hace un llamado a la guerrilla
And there was a call to the guerrillas
de una tregua
to a truce.
y que habría que comenzar a discutir y a dialogar los cambios que pedía el FMLN.
And that they had to begin discussing the changes that the FMLN wanted.
Prometían que podría negociarse retornar las tierras a los campesinos,
They promised that they could negotiate returning the land to the peasants,
que habría vivienda digna y empleo para todos,
that there would be dignified housing and employment for everyone,
y las riquezas de nuestro país serían distribuidas en forma equitativa.
and the wealth of our country would be distributed in an equitable way.
Y es así como en el 90 y en el 91 se inicia una serie de negociaciones,
And that's how in 1990 and 91 they began a series of negotiations,
terminando con la firma de los acuerdos de paz en enero de 1992.
which ended with the signing of the peace accords in January of 1992.
Déjenme decirles que todos nosotros nos sentíamos satisfechos
Allow me to say that all of us felt very satisfied
porque creíamos que habíamos diezmado
because we believed that we had wiped out
al capitalismo
capitalism
y que realmente habían cambios democráticos
and that there were really democratic changes
y que los Estados Unidos
and that the United States
terminaría su intervención en nuestra nación.
would stop their intervention in our country.
Salimos a las calles a celebrarlo.
We went out into the streets to celebrate this.
Ya no habrá necesidad de estarnos golpeando y chocando con la policía y el ejército.
There wasn't the need anymore to be striking or fighting with the police and the military.
Qué equivocado estábamos.
How mistaken we were.
Al poco tiempo,
A short while later,
los acuerdos de paz son traicionados
the peace accords were betrayed
por el gobierno de derecha de El Salvador
by the right-wing government of El Salvador
y con la gran complicidad de los Estados Unidos.
and with the great complicity of the United States.
Y empezamos a escuchar nuevos términos.
And we began to hear new terms,
Neoliberalismo,
neoliberalism,
la cara de la modernización y la igualdad,
the face of modernization and equality,
democracia,
democracy,
privatizaciones.
privatizations.
Pero no era más
But it wasn't more than
que la cara del saqueo y del robo,
but just the face of plundering,
como un neocolonialismo.
the face of plundering and robbery, just like a new colonialism.
Y a partir de 1993
And starting from 1993,
se inician las actividades
they began the activities
de calle,
in the streets,
huelgas y marchas
strikes, marches,
y choques de nuevo con la policía y el ejército,
and fighting again with the police and the military,
exigiendo las mismas causas que originaron el conflicto.
demanding that the same causes that were at the beginning or at the cause of the conflict,
Que duraron 12 años
the war that went on for 12 years,
y que costaron alrededor de 70,000 muertos y muchos desaparecidos.
and that cost about 70,000 dead and a lot have disappeared.
Privatizaron los pocos recursos que teníamos en El Salvador.
They privatized the few resources that we had in El Salvador.
Había una compañía telefónica llamada Antel
There was a telephone company called Antel
que le generaba al Estado
that created for the state
divisas
foreign exchange
para poder cubrir lo social,
to be able to cover social programs,
salud, educación,
health, education,
carreteras.
highways.
Pero los empresarios y las grandes multinacionales
But the business owners and the large corporations,
a esta compañía la habían visto como la gallinita de los huevos de oro.
they had viewed this company like the hen that lays the golden eggs.
Y desde el 92 hasta 1998,
And from 1992 to 1998,
después de luchas encarnizadas,
and after very fierce struggles,
al final el neoliberalismo triunfó.
at the end, neoliberalism won.
Don Dinero Poderoso Caballero
With the, Sir Sir Money, all powerful,
logró comprar diputados o congresistas en la asamblea
was able to buy Congress members, deputies in the National Assembly,
para que en 1997 aprobaran la ley de privatización de las telecomunicaciones
so that in 1997 they approved the law to privatize telecommunications,
y las distribuidoras eléctricas.
and also the companies, the distributing companies of electricity.
Significó todo lo contrario a lo que habían dicho.
And that meant exactly the opposite of what they had said.
Despidos masivos,
Massive dismissals,
el incremento de los recibos de tarifas muy altas,
and then the cost in the receipts or for those services very high,
el 60%,
like a 60% increase,
y la función social por la cual había sido creada la institución se perdió.
and the social function for which those enterprises had been created were lost.
Esa lección la aprendimos rápidamente.
We learned that lesson very quickly.
Y cuando quisieron privatizar la salud,
And when they wanted to privatize health,
logramos movilizarnos,
we were able to mobilize ourselves
protestar en las calles,
to protest in the streets,
en forma pacífica y violenta,
both peacefully and violently,
acompañado con huelgas.
accompanied by strikes.
Ahí por el 2000 y el 2001,
And then in 2000, 2001,
y con éxito logramos detener la venta de la salud.
with success, we were able to stop the sale of health care.
De la misma manera,
And in that same way,
han querido vender o privatizar el agua,
they've wanted to privatize and sell water,
líquido vital universal para un ser humano,
the universal vital liquid for human beings.
que en forma conjunta el agua, la salud y la educación
And together, water, healthcare, and education,
no deben de ser mercancía,
that should not be merchandise.
sino que un derecho universal del ser humano
That should be a universal right of human beings.
y el deber de todo Estado de proporcionárselo a sus habitantes.
And the responsibility of every government to provide that to its people.
Hace unos días, antes de venir a esta gira,
Just a few days before coming on this tour,
quisieron aprobar en la Asamblea Legislativa una ley,
they wanted to approve in the Legislative Assembly a law,
la ley del agua.
the water law.
Pero como bloque popular social
But as the popular social
y el
bloc
FMLN,
and the FMLN,
movimos
we mobilized
y
ourselves
nos activamos en una gran movilización frente a la Asamblea,
and we got active in a large mobilization in front of the National Assembly,
presionando a los diputados
pressuring the legislators
que no se fuesen a vender para votar a favor de esa ley del agua.
that they would not sell out and vote in favor of this water law.
Detuvimos la aprobación de la ley del agua.
We stopped the that water law.
Y de esta forma ando muy satisfecho y tranquilo en esta gira.
And as a result of that, I'm very peaceful and satisfied being here on this tour.
Pero eso no es todo, compañeros y compañeras.
But that's not everything, compañeros y compañeras, which are like beloved companions.
La invasión y la injerencia de los gobiernos de los Estados Unidos
The invasion and the intervention of the governments of the United States
lo está canalizando en tratados de libre comercio
is being channelized in free trade agreements
que no son más para nosotros
that are no more than for us
que tratados de libertinaje de las grandes multinacionales.
that are just treaties that would give tremendous freedom to the multinational corporations,
En las cuales sus articulados
and which are brought together
nos dicen que nos van a ocupar como botaderos tóxicos.
But the articles say they're going to occupy us as like toxic dumps.
Nos enviarán productos o granos básicos manipulados genéticamente.
They're going to send us basic grains, basic food that have been genetically modified.
Como un ejemplo,
As an example,
nuestros campesinos siembran el maíz con mucho amor,
our peasants plant corn with a lot of love
en forma natural,
in a natural way,
sin químicos.
without chemicals.
Y a cambio vamos a recibir de los Estados Unidos
But in exchange, we're going to receive from the United States
maíz que sirve de forraje para el ganado,
corn that serves as forage or food for cattle,
manipulado genéticamente.
which has been genetically manipulated.
No queremos ser tratados como animales,
We don't want to be treated like animals,
ni tampoco reaccionar como las vacas locas en Inglaterra.
nor to react like the mad cows in England.
Esos son los tratados de libre comercio de los Estados Unidos,
These are the free trade agreements of the United States,
donde pide que se abran las fronteras
in which they ask for the borders to be opened
para que pasen sus productos y sean consumidos.
so that their products can pass those borders and be consumed.
Pero no se puede competir con él.
But you can't compete with them.
No tenemos ni contamos con la tecnología de las transnacionales.
You know, we don't have the technology of the transnational
Y
corporations.
lo más delicado es
And the most difficult thing is
que el gobierno de Bush
that the government of Bush
le exige a nuestros gobiernos entreguistas
asked our governments that hand over everything,
que no subsidien o no protejan la agricultura, por ejemplo.
asked those governments to not subsidize or protect agriculture.
Pero acá perfectamente hay protección para la agricultura.
But here there is protection for agriculture.
Pone estándares
They put standards,
de calidad a los productos.
quality standards on the products.
Y quiero poner un ejemplo del Tratado de Libre Comercio en Norteamérica,
I want to give you an example from the North America Free Trade
cuyo
Agreement.
gran perdedor fue México.
And the great loser in that one was Mexico.
Y el ejemplo es con los productos lácteos.
And the example is with milk products.
Y uno de los ejemplos también es la leche.
And one of those products is milk.
En muchas oportunidades los mexicanos no podían pasar su leche hacia acá, los Estados Unidos.
A lot of times the Mexicans could not bring their milk across the border here into the United States
Porque decían, científicamente no pasaba la calidad.
because they said that, you know, scientifically it did not meet the quality.
Solo la de aquí hacia México.
Only the milk from here could go to Mexico.
Mucha calidad.
That had a lot of quality.
Hasta que se aburrieron los mexicanos.
So then the Mexicans got bored, fed up with that,
Y la misma leche estadounidense que tenían en México,
and that same U.S. milk that they had there in Mexico,
le envasaron en envases mexicanos.
they put into Mexican containers.
La certificaron como mexicana
They certified it as Mexican,
y pusieron a prueba
and they put it there to be
a los
proven
Estados Unidos.
for the United States to prove.
Sorpresa,
The surprise,
no pasó la calidad.
it didn't pass the quality test.
Ese es el Tratado de Libre Comercio de los Estados Unidos.
This is the free trade agreement of the United States.
Que a propósito
The goal
se llama imperialismo.
is called imperialism,
Y que a propósito
and it has the proposal, the goal,
muchas de esas cosas de imperialismo
a lot of these things of imperialism
fueron copiadas del Imperio Romano.
were copied from the Roman Empire.
Muchas de sus estructuras, como el Senado, ahí está el modelo en los Estados Unidos.
And a lot of their structures, like the Senate, is there in the model of the United States.
La ambición de poder por el mundo,
This ambition of having world power,
la esclavitud y la explotación.
slavery and exploitation.
Ahí están los tratados de libre comercio
There are the free trade agreements
garantizando el saqueo,
guaranteeing the plundering,
globalizando la pobreza.
globalizing poverty,
Y eso no puede ser.
and that cannot be.
Pero por si fuera poco,
But if that was just a little,
la administración Bush
the Bush administration
firmó un convenio
signed an agreement
de la ILEA,
of the ILEA, which is referred to as ILEA.
en la cual es una academia internacional
It's an international academy.
que dice para el cumplimiento de la ley.
They say to fulfill the law.
Los Estados Unidos quieren hacer cumplir la ley en nuestros países.
The United States wants the law to be fulfilled in our countries.
Y lo delicado de esto es
And the difficult thing of this,
que policías,
that police,
jueces,
judges,
fiscales,
prosecutors,
militares
soldiers
de Latinoamérica
of Latin America
serán formados y capacitados en esa academia.
will be trained in this academy.
Que por cierto, qué casualidad,
That obviously, and what coincidence,
se parece mucho a la Escuela de las Américas,
is very similar to the School of the Americas,
que actualmente se encuentra acá en Georgia.
which right now is in Georgia.
¿Saben el contenido de esta ILEA?
Do you know the contents of this ILEA?
En el artículo 2, en objetivos,
In ¿cuál?
artículo 2, objetivos,
In Article 2, the objectives,
dice que es para combatir la delincuencia internacional,
they say it's to be able to combat international crime,
el narcotráfico
drug trafficking,
y el terrorismo.
and terrorism.
¡Qué casualidad!
What coincidence?
¿En cuántas ocasiones, en nombre de la seguridad nacional de los Estados Unidos,
On how many occasions, in the name of the national security
se
of the United
mandaron el
States,
ejército
they sent the army
a buscar el terrorismo y Al Qaeda a Afganistán?
to look for terrorism and Al Qaeda there in Afghanistan?
Como no lo encontraron, se les escondió.
And because they didn't find it, because that hid,
Dijeron que se fue a Irak.
they said, well, it went to Iraq.
No lo encontraron tampoco.
And they didn't find it there either.
Y accidentalmente encontraron petróleo.
And just accidentally, they found oil.
Hoy insisten que el terrorismo por ahí anda.
And so there is terrorism that is about.
Y se ha ido a Latinoamérica.
Now it's gone to Latin America.
Por el momento está en Centroamérica.
Right now it's in Central
Ahí
America.
está Al Qaeda.
That's where Al Qaeda is.
Y precisamente
And exactly,
hay una gran campaña millonaria propagandística,
there's a $1 million propaganda campaign,
tanto del gobierno salvadoreño
as much from the Salvadoran government
como de la misma administración Bush,
as well as from the Bush administration,
en la que dicen,
in which they say,
¿han escuchado ustedes sobre las maras
Yeah, have you heard
salvatrucha
have you heard about the gangs like the Salvatrucha
que nacieron en Los Ángeles
that were born or created in Los Angeles
y fueron enviados masivamente a nuestros países?
and then were sent massively to our countries?
Ahí se les implica
And this implies
con el terrorismo,
the terrorism,
conectados con Al Qaeda.
and connected then with Al Qaeda.
Por tanto, multiplicamos y es igual a FMLN.
And then we multiply that and add it up, and that's the same as the FMLN.
Y al dividirlo resulta que es el movimiento social y sindical el terrorista.
And then when we divide that up, we find that the result is that the social movement is also terrorist.
Quieren aplicar esta academia
They want to apply this academy,
enseñando
teaching
a garantizar el CAFTA
how to be able to guarantee CAFTA
a toda oposición o protesta.
against any kind of opposition or protest.
Le aplicarán las leyes a su conveniencia.
They will apply the laws
Si
according
yo
to their
salgo a las
interest.
calles,
If I go out onto the streets,
me encarcelarán,
I will be arrested,
con suerte,
if I'm lucky,
o a lo mejor me asesinan.
or they'll kill me.
Son cosas muy ciertas las que les estoy diciendo.
These are very certain things, what I'm telling you.
Y precisamente de acá de los Estados Unidos
And exactly from here in the United States,
salió en una misión un sindicalista.
there was a unionist that went out on a mission.
Se llamaba Gilberto Soto
He was named Gilberto Soto,
y lo enviaban los Teamsters
and the Teamsters sent him out
a organizar los camioneros en Centroamérica.
to organize the truck drivers in Central America.
Él quiso iniciar la organización en El Salvador
And he wanted to start his organizing in El Salvador
porque era originario de ahí.
because he was originally from there.
Logró reunirse con los camioneros,
And he was able to meet with the truck drivers,
pero días después
but a few days later,
fue asesinado.
he was killed.
¿Y saben a quién le echaron la culpa el gobierno?
And do you know who the government blamed for that?
A la Mara Salvatrucha.
To the gang Salvatrucha,
Por tanto, es Al Qaeda.
because it's Al Qaeda,
Hay vinculación con el FMLN
and there's connections with the
y el
FMLN
movimiento social sindical.
and the social and union movement.
Eso es lo que está sucediendo.
This is what is happening.
Pero no es todo.
But that's not everything.
Por aquí hay otros articulados.
There are other articles here,
Pero antes les haré una pregunta.
but before that, I'm going to make a question.
¿Alguna vez vieron ustedes las películas del agente secreto 007 James Bond?
Have you ever seen the movies of the secret agent 007 James Bond?
Pues aquí hay una película
So here there is a movie,
estadounidense
a U.S. film,
con licencia para matar.
License to Kill.
Se manifiesta
It's shown here
que todo funcionario,
that any functionary or member
empleados,
or employees
asesores militares
or military advisors
deben de tener inmunidad.
should have immunity.
Vaya privilegio.
That's, have to have this privilege.
Pueden enseñar a torturar,
They could teach how to torture,
a asesinar,
to kill,
e incluso se les puede ir un tirito del fusil
and even a shot could be fired from
y
the
asesinar
rifle,
a alguien
and that could kill someone,
y nadie los puede tocar.
and nobody could touch them.
Pero eso es la película de James Bush 007.
But this is the film of James Bush 007.
¿Por qué andamos acá en esta gira?
So why are we here on this tour?
Pidiéndole a ustedes
Asking of you
que en forma conjunta nos ayudemos.
that together we support each other, help
¿Por
each
qué
other.
debemos de ayudarnos?
So why should we be helping each other?
Porque estas grandes transnacionales
Because these large corporations
están globalizando la pobreza.
are globalizing poverty,
Y esto tiene que ver en el mundo entero,
and this has to be seen in all over the world,
incluyendo acá en los Estados Unidos.
including here in the United States.
Muchas empresas y transnacionales
A lot of companies and corporations
se están yendo a México y Centroamérica
are going to Mexico and Central America
porque existe todo un ejército de miles y miles de personas desempleadas
because there's a whole army of thousands and thousands of unemployed people,
y que les pagan salarios miserables,
and if they pay them a salary of misery,
violentan los derechos humanos y laborales
they violate their human and labor rights
porque lo permiten los gobiernos entreguistas.
because of the governments that hand over everything allow that.
Y acá
And here,
se incrementará el desempleo
this will increase unemployment.
y al igual que en nuestros países desaparecerá el salario mínimo
And the same as in our country, the minimum wage will disappear.
y será la oferta y la demanda
And it'll just be supply and demand
la que dicte los salarios.
that puts the price on the minimum wage.
Por ejemplo, en las fábricas de las maquilas en El Salvador,
For example, in the factories of the maquilas in El Salvador,
el salario mensual es de $140,
the monthly salary is $140.
pero con la oferta y la demanda,
But with the supply and demand,
si José le está pagando la fábrica $140,
if the factory is paying to Jose $140,
Marillita necesita empleo desesperadamente
Maria there needs work very desperately,
y le va a trabajar a la fábrica por $100.
and she'd be willing to work in the factory for $100.
Ah, pero allá está Pepe
But there's Pepe,
y quiere trabajar también
and he also wants to work,
y le va a trabajar por $75.
and he would work for $75.
Estarán trabajando máquinas y robots para las grandes transnacionales,
So just machines and robots would be working for the corporation.
que al final podríamos decir
And at the end, we could say
que ya no tendrán nacionalidad alguna,
that they don't have any kind of nationality.
no serán estadounidenses,
They would not be United States,
ni japonesas,
ni Japanese,
mucho menos europeas.
and much less European.
¿Saben cuál es la nacionalidad que obtendrán?
Do you know what the nationalities that they would have, these corporations?
3 nacionalidades:
They would have 3 nationalities,
el yen,
the yen,
el dólar y el euro.
the dollar, and the euro.
Poderoso caballero.
This all-powerful sir, gentleman.
Entonces, nos cabe más que decir
So there's no more for us to say than
que así como ellos están globalizando la pobreza,
that, being as how they're in the same way that they're globalizing poverty,
nuestra obligación es globalizar la justicia,
our obligation is to globalize justice,
globalizar la lucha,
globalize the struggle,
globalizar la derrota del neoliberalismo
globalize the defeat of neoliberalism
y de las grandes corporaciones.
and of the large corporations.
No quiero terminar sin antes señalar
I don't want to end before pointing out
que también en nuestro país se han dado muchos desastres naturales
that also in our country there have been a lot of natural disasters
que han provocado muchas víctimas y damnificados,
that have caused a lot of victims.
pero hubieran sido mucho menos esas víctimas
But these victims would have been a lot less
si no fuera por la ambición de los empresarios
if it had not been for the ambition of the businessmen
que talan muchos árboles para urbanizar aunque no tengan los permisos.
that cut down a lot of trees to put in new housing projects even though they did not have permission.
Hay mucha pobreza
There's a lot of poverty
en los cuales
in which
viven en zonas riesgosas
they live in very risky areas
porque no tienen donde vivir.
because they don't have anywhere else to live.
Y ante las lloviznas o los huracanes,
And when there's rain or hurricanes,
hay muchas inundaciones y deslaves,
there's a lot of floods and slides,
incluyendo
Including-
la erupción de un volcán.
including the eruption of a volcano.
Hay mucho daño en el medio ambiente
There's a lot of damage to the environment
con estos tratados de libre comercio.
with these free trade agreements.
Y el ejemplo ya lo dijimos.
And the example we already said,
Bueno, ahí está San Luis Potosí en México,
there's San Luis Potosí in Mexico,
donde una gran transnacional
in which a large corporation
ocupó este estado como botadero tóxico,
occupied the state as a toxic dump,
dañando la flora,
damaging the flora
los mantos acuíferos.
and also the groundwater.
La población se rebeló
The population rebelled
e impidió que siguiera la transnacional ahí.
and impeded or stopped the corporation from coming in there.
Pero como estos tratados de libre comercio
But with these free trade agreements,
tienen sus propias cortes internacionales,
they have their own international courts
con jueces
with judges,
estadounidenses
with U.S. judges
pagados por los Estados Unidos.
paid by the United States.
Y por ahí pusieron una demanda
And so then they put a demand there, a
en
case,
contra del Estado de San Luis Potosí
against the government of San Luis Potosí
por daños y prejuicios a la transnacional,
for damaging the corporation
interponiendo la salud y el bienestar de toda una población.
and putting in the way of the health care and the well-being of all the population.
Estos son los acontecimientos que están pasando en los diferentes países de Latinoamérica.
This is what's happening in the various countries of Latin America.
No es que estemos en contra del comercio
It's not that we're against trade
o en contra de la población estadounidense.
or against the U.S. people.
Lo que queremos es un comercio justo,
What we want is fair trade
donde haya equidad
in which there's equity
y hay alternativas.
and there are alternatives.
Lo que pasa es que el imperio estadounidense
What happens is that the U.S.
no quiere
empire
verlo.
does not want to see that.
Ahí está el ALBA.
There's ALBA.
Ese es comercio justo.
That's fair trade.
Y quiero poner un ejemplo del por qué el ALBA.
And I want to give an example of why ALBA.
Hoy con la crisis del petróleo,
Right now with the
en
oil
mi
prices,
país llegó a valer $4 el galón.
in my country gasoline now is
Y el
the co-
FMLN y nosotros
the cost is $4 a gallon, and the FMLN and ourselves,
le sugerimos al gobierno de El Salvador
we suggested to the Salvadoran government
negociar con Hugo Chávez.
negotiate with Hugo Chavez.
¡Oh, terroristas!
No, terrorists.
Se le dijo que Hugo Chávez iba a darnos el petróleo más barato.
So that Hugo Chavez was going to give us oil at a lower price.
Respondió, no tenemos plata, ya tenemos contrato con los Estados Unidos y otros países.
They said, we don't have money. We already have contracts with the United States and with other countries.
Oh, miedo y entreguismo a James Bush.
So once again, this fear and handing everything over to James Bush.
Contestó Hugo Chávez que efectivamente podía dar el petróleo más barato.
And Hugo Chavez responded that they could provide oil more cheaply.
Respondió el presidente Saca de El Salvador, bueno, llegará la empresa privada.
But then Saca responded, well, the private enterprise will come.
Tú estás loco, chico, le dijo Hugo Chávez al presidente.
And Chavez said to Saca, you're crazy.
La
crazy
empresa
guy.
no va a administrar el petróleo,
It's not going to be the private enterprise administering the oil.
tiene que administrarlo el Estado.
We'd want the state, the government to administer it.
No me des moneda, no me des dólares.
You don't have to give me money. You don't have to give me dollars.
A cambio me puedes dar azúcar o café.
You could give me sugar or coffee.
Eso es comercio justo.
This is fair trade.
Lógicamente, Saca se quedó callado y se fue a arrodillar ante Bush.
And so logically, Saca was left, very quiet and just went on his knees to Bush.
Eso es lo que andamos buscando.
So this is what we're looking for.
Y ojalá ustedes nos puedan ayudar mucho.
And hopefully all of you can support us very much.
Y por supuesto podemos ayudarle a las nuevas generaciones, a los jóvenes,
And obviously that then we could be able to support the new generations, the youth,
que son el futuro
that are the future
para un mundo mejor.
for a better world.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
probably wondering, what action can you take after this? Well, the ILEA, which is the International Law Enforcement Agency, we passed around a postcard, and if you want to take the time to sign that and leave it at the end of the table, we're going to send these to Condoleezza Rice saying that this should not occur. It's going to be like a mini school of the Americas. Also, we're going to be passing a basket at this time, and all the money is directly going to go to a village in El Salvador called Las Marias. This village has a very big social movement in it, and the education and agriculture sectors are very important to the community. Several years ago, CSPIS, the Committee in Solidarity with the People of El Salvador, helped this community, which is pretty much everybody in the community belongs to a cooperative for organic agriculture, and they help them get an organic license. So they work very closely with Las Marias, and Wilfredo will be taking the money himself down there to give back to this community. That's a raise at every city on this tour. The whole issue right now with President Saka is that with the upcoming elections, even though the presidential elections aren't for several years, the municipal ones are in March, they are politicizing the money. So towns usually controlled by Orena, which is the right-wing party that's in control right now, and President Saka is a part of this, will take the money only to towns that are controlled by Orena after they give speeches there to the public. So we want to give money to a village that obviously is involved in social movements and has a lot of positive aspects to it, and is not going to have the federal government giving this money to people who belong to their party. And also, President Saka, when they do this, the money's only going to the elite people. It's never going to trickle down and get to people like Wilfredo, who are trying to help the campesinos and the rural people. So even if you just give $5, this is greatly going to help this village of Las Marias. And now we're going to move on to questions. Thank you.
So any questions, comments, critiques?
What was it like from 1992 to 2000? I didn't see a lot of information about that particular time period.
From 1992 to 2000? Okay. ¿Y cómo fueron los años, cómo eran los años entre 92 y 2000? Yo no recibí mucha información sobre ese espacio.
Bueno, se articularon movilizaciones y huelgas.
So there were mobilizations and also strikes that were brought together, carried out.
Con una gran alianza entre campesinos, trabajadores y estudiantes.
And with a great alliance between peasants, workers, and students.
Para tratar de evitar las privatizaciones del agua y la salud.
To try and stop the privatization of water and healthcare.
Y por supuesto el respeto a los derechos humanos y laborales en las empresas.
And also for the respect of human and labor rights in the companies.
Tanto públicas como privadas.
Both the public enterprise as well as the private.
Y aún continuamos la lucha.
And we continue with that struggle.
En el bloque popular social.
In the popular social bloc.
Y un frente sindical salvadoreño.
And the Salvadoran Union Front.
En el cual hemos venido peleando que no se aplique el CAFTA.
In which we've been fighting for them, so they do not apply or implement CAFTA, the Central American Free Trade Agreement.
Y que no se aplique el ILEA.
And that they not implement the police academy.
Bueno, en primer lugar me gustaría expresar gracias por su presencia aquí con nosotros esta noche. Y mi pregunta tiene que ser con las fuerzas políticas en su país. Me gustaría preguntarse si se puede explicar un poco sobre los partidos de la izquierda y las posibilidades que tienen en el futuro en su país, porque como usted explicó, ha estado posible, ¿verdad?, de estar en contra, ¿verdad?, de algunas iniciativas del gobierno neoliberal, pero de tener el movimiento, la influencia en el futuro, va a ser posible de tener un otro poder, yo creo, ¿verdad? Tiene que ser con el poder del Estado. Entonces, si se puede explicar un poco sobre qué está pasando ahora en la situación.
And what I asked was, I just expressed thanks for him being here with us tonight to share the story of his country. And I asked him if he could talk a little bit about the political movements that are in his country, because as he explained in his talk, it's been possible in his country for social movements to stop some of the neoliberal initiatives. But in order to really shape the future of his country, it seems that it's going to be necessary to have political power within the state. So I was asking him about the parties of the FMLN or other progressive movements on the left in this country and what's been going on recently and where he sees things going in the future.
Bueno, a nivel de la izquierda en nuestro país,
And in terms of the left in our country,
prácticamente la oposición verdadera es el FMLN.
practically the true opposition is the FMLN.
Hay otros partidos de izquierda, entre comillas,
There are other left-wing parties, kind of within quotation marks,
que piensan que pueden concertar con el neoliberalismo
that think that they can come to agreements with neoliberalism
y ponerle rostro humano.
and be able, and put a human face on that.
Y eso no es cierto.
And that's not true.
Como FMLN convertido ya en partido,
As the FMLN now converted into a political party,
se han logrado mucho poder local,
it has achieved a lot of power at the local level.
mucha credibilidad por parte de la población
It's received a lot of credibility from the population,
y se han ganado muchas alcaldías a nivel nacional,
and it's won a lot of mayor's offices, a lot of municipal governments throughout the country,
incluyendo ciudades estratégicas y grandes
including strategic and large cities
como la capital,
like the capital,
y también a nivel de diputados.
and also in terms of the deputies or the legislators in the National
En la
Assembly.
pasada elección logró 31 diputados,
In the most recent elections, they won 31
el
legislators.
primer lugar,
They more than anyone else. Came in first.
y sacó 29 diputados. Arena, el gobierno oficial en este momento.
And the governing party got 29 representatives at that time.
Desgraciadamente hay otros partidos
Unfortunately, there are other parties,
de derecha
right-wing parties,
y aquellos partidos supuestos de izquierda que les decía,
and those parties that are supposedly of the left that I told you about,
que negocian con Arena
that negotiate with Arena
para darle un balance de poder.
to then give them the balance of power.
Por tal motivo ha sido muy difícil
So therefore, it's been very difficult
caminar aceleradamente con los cambios que se han prometido y se desean.
to be able to go forward very quickly with the changes that have been proposed and that people want.
Es más, en cada elección las encuestas dan como ganador al FMLN.
And in each of the elections, the surveys show that the FMLN will be the winner.
Y como les decía en mi presentación,
And as I said in my presentation,
los Estados Unidos es muy preocupado.
the United States is very concerned.
Manda funcionarios de gobierno a El Salvador
So they send government officials there to El Salvador,
y públicamente manifiesta a la población
and they publicly say to the people
que si gana el frente puede peligrar las remesas.
that if the FMLN wins, that could put into danger the remittances that are coming from the Salvadorans here in the States.
Ese es un vil chantaje para la población.
And that's it's like blackmailing the population.
Si sabemos que las remesas sostienen mucho en nuestro país,
Because we know that these remittances sustain a lot of families in our country.
los empresarios reúnen a los empleados,
And then the business people bring together or have meetings with their employees,
más que todo en las zonas de las maquilas, las fábricas,
in particular in the maquilas, the factories,
y amenazan a los empleados diciéndoles que no voten por el frente o perderían su empleo.
and then they threaten the workers and tell them, not to vote for the Frente, the FMLN, or else they will lose their jobs.
Aplican el fraude
They apply fraud,
y está comprobado por los observadores internacionales.
and that's been verified by the international observers.
Del país vecino de Guatemala
From the neighboring country of Guatemala,
llevan camiones y buses
they bring in trucks and
de
buses
guatemaltecos con el documento de identidad salvadoreño
of Guatemalans that have the national identity document of El Salvador,
y votan por Arena.
and they vote for Arena.
Todas estas cosas obstaculizan.
And all these things create obstacles.
Y precisamente aprovecho, al igual que lo hicieron ya mis compañeros de CISPES y de Caja,
And also then on taking advantage of what my compañeros de CISPES and Caja have said,
a que vayan ustedes como observadores internacionales a mi país en marzo del otro año.
So again, inviting you to go to my country in March of next year to be election observers.
aparte de garantizar la limpieza electoral,
And in addition to guaranteeing clean elections,
ustedes serán fieles testigos de las obras que se hacen en las alcaldías del FMLN.
you would also be faithful witnesses of the projects that are being carried out in the municipal governments of the FMLN.
Jay?
Yeah, could you just elaborate on ALBA, including what it stands for, and maybe present to the group talks about what its hope is or what it's designed?
¿Y podría decirnos algo más sobre el ALBA? ¿Qué significa ALBA y qué podría significar para la gente también? Comenzando creo que con las siglas, ¿no?
Bueno, ALBA es un tratado de comercio justo
ALBA is a fair trade agreement
en el cual fue creado y elaborado en Sudamérica.
that was created and elaborated in South America.
Hay países democráticos
There are democratic
y de
countries
izquierda,
and left wing,
por supuesto encabezados por Hugo Chávez en Venezuela.
obviously led by Hugo Chavez in Venezuela.
Ahí se da la equidad y la igualdad de estos tratados,
And so then there's the equity and equality in these agreements,
donde el país que es más rico o más fuerte que el país más débil
in which the richer and more powerful country in relation to the weaker countries,
se le permite intercambiar sus productos.
they would allow them to exchange their products.
Si no tiene dinero,
If they don't have money,
simplemente productos por otro con el otro país.
that could just be through barter, one product for another.
Eso es lo que nosotros también estamos apoyando en Centroamérica,
And that's also what we're supporting in Central America,
esa verdadera alternativa.
this true alternative.
Y ojalá los Estados Unidos
And hopefully the United States
apoye el ALBA también,
will also support ALBA,
porque va a beneficiar a la población estadounidense.
because that will benefit the people of the United States.
Todavía no está funcionando, ¿verdad? Todavía es una propuesta.
Pues iba a funcionar con nosotros,
So that ALBA was going to start functioning with us,
con el petróleo,
with oil,
a cambio de café.
in exchange for coffee.
I guess I'm not very informed about Hugo Chavez, but from what I understand is that the human rights record in Venezuela isn't all that great. So how is trading with him any better than trading with the United States?
Tal vez no estoy muy informada sobre Hugo Chávez, pero parece que su récord algo así de derechos humanos no es tan bueno. Entonces, ¿qué sería la diferencia entre intercambiar con él con intercambiar con el gobierno de los Estados Unidos?
Bueno, hay mucha desinformación por parte de los medios de comunicación
There's a lot of misinformation through the media
en los diferentes países de Latinoamérica y en los mismos Estados Unidos.
in the different countries of Latin America and also here in the United States.
No les conviene ver otras alternativas
It doesn't suit their interest to see other alternatives
que hagan quedar mal el neoliberalismo o el capitalismo.
that would cause problems for neoliberalism or capitalism.
Yo he estado en Cuba, por ejemplo,
For example, I've been in Cuba
y pude darme cuenta
and I could see
de que hay un gran bloqueo económico por parte de los Estados Unidos.
that there's this great blockade by the United States against Cuba.
Y aún con esos obstáculos,
And even with these obstacles,
es lo mejor en salud, educación,
it's the best in healthcare and education.
y está sobreviviendo y tiene menos índices de pobreza que en nuestro país.
And it's surviving and has a lower poverty level than in our country.
En Venezuela es apoyado mucho por la población.
And Venezuela is very supported by the population.
Y a propósito de preocupación de los Estados Unidos,
And the concern of the United States,
él fue artífice del complot o conspiración de golpe de Estado para Hugo Chávez,
the U.S. government was involved in the conspiracy of the coup against the government of Hugo Chavez,
junto con los empresarios venezolanos corruptos.
together with the corrupt Venezuelan businessmen.
¿Y saben quiénes liberaron a Hugo Chávez?
¿Cómo? And so do you know who freed Hugo Chavez?
El pueblo.
It was the people.
Lo que pasan aquí son las marchas de los empresarios.
You know, what happens or what are shown through the media here are the marches of the business people, the business owners.
Incluso tienen el cinismo de ir diciendo oraciones de la izquierda.
And they also have the cynicism of giving speeches like of the left,
gritando el pueblo unido jamás será vencido.
Shouting out like, the people united will never be defeated.
Bueno, algo han aprendido de la izquierda.
So that they've learned something from the left. Other questions, comments?
I've heard some advocates for the free trade area of the Americas have said that what will happen in terms of geopolitics south of the American border is that you'll have this alignment of countries who sign on to free trade agreements and embrace neoliberalist reforms, like Mexico, like Chile, and then countries who resist it and try to come up with more socialist sort of models, like Venezuela, like Brazil, like Argentina, or whatever. And that eventually what will happen is those more socialist-leaning countries will see how prosperous and how well the countries who embrace capitalist reform are doing, and will eventually come along. I'm wondering if the speaker sees a sort of a different sort of attraction, a different pull in another direction, and what he thinks the course of geopolitics in Latin America, and if you can generalize, what will be in the future if those lines of conflict will be that clearly demarcated.
Great question. Let's see how I do with it in terms of turning it into Spanish. Bueno, entonces los proponentes de estos tratados de libre comercio están diciendo o pronosticando que en el futuro van a ser como dos bloques allá en las Américas. El bloque que está a favor del neoliberalismo y los tratados de libre comercio, y otro bloque de los países más socialistas, Uruguay, Venezuela, todo eso. Esos proponentes están diciendo que con el paso del tiempo, este bloque socialista se va a dar cuenta que lo mejor sería la cuestión de los tratados de libre comercio para mejorar la situación para su gente. Esto es el argumento de la gente que está a favor de los tratados. Entonces me está preguntando cómo ve la situación de usted, que si va a pasar esto con los dos bloques geopolíticos o qué va a pasar con esos diferentes corrientes por allá.
Bueno, indudablemente que con el correr del tiempo va a pesar mucho el bloque socialista.
Obviously, with the passage of time, the bloc that's going to have a lot of weight will be the socialist bloc.
Ya tuvieron mucho tiempo los neoliberalistas.
The neoliberal folks have had a lot of time now.
Con su famosa teoría del rebalse.
And with their famous theory of the cup is going to spill over.
Que decían que primero había que rellenar de riquezas un barril, ¿va? Como empresario.
So they had to first, sort of like fill up this barrel with wealth.
Y lo que se derramara o cayera iba a ser ya del resto de los sectores.
And so that that barrel would be for the wealthy, and then sort of what spilled out of that would then be for the rest of the sectors.
Pero hasta ahora no está ocurriendo eso.
But up to this point in time, that's not happening.
La caída de ese gran barrilón han puesto otros barriles más.
And so the water that's escaping from that barrel, they just put more barrels there to be filled up.
Y es una ambición voraz de las corporaciones.
And they just have this huge ambition.
Por eso les digo que va globalizando la pobreza.
And that's why I say that they're globalizing poverty.
Incluyendo en los diferentes países desarrollados y ricos.
Including in the various developed and rich countries. Other questions, comments?
Back on to Hugo Chavez. What does the speaker think of Hugo Chavez's recent claims that he will sell American F-16s to China and Cuba? And does he feel that the United States would have no reason to be, that the United States would have no reason to go in and stop that sale? What is the speaker's thought?
Y volviendo al tema de Hugo Chávez, ¿qué piensa usted sobre las declaraciones de Chávez que va a vender esos aviones de guerra F-16 a China o a Cuba? Y que si en el caso de esta venta que los estados no tendrían nada que ver con lo que está pasando con Chávez en Venezuela. ¿Qué piensa usted de esas declaraciones?
No entendí. ¿Cuándo?
Lo que pasó es que Chávez salió diciendo porque el gobierno gringo está diciendo que no va a vender los reparos, algo así, para los aviones. Entonces Chávez salió diciendo que, bueno, entonces voy a vender esos aviones a China o Cuba, algo así. Eso salió como hace una semana. Entonces la pregunta para usted es, ¿Qué piensa usted sobre estas declaraciones de Chávez? Y si en caso de que eso pase, todavía, más o menos que todavía piensa que los estados no tendrían nada que ver con lo que está pasando con el gobierno venezolano, si vende esos aviones de guerra a Cuba o a China.
Indudablemente que todo país es soberano.
Obviously, every country is sovereign.
Tiene su propia constitución de la república.
They have their own constitution of the republic.
Y cada país tiene derecho a resolver sus problemas internos.
And every country has the right to resolve its own internal problems.
Y a utilizar la diplomacia que más le convenga.
And to utilize the form of diplomacy that most suits them.
Los Estados Unidos no tienen por qué hablar nada.
And the United States doesn't have anything to speak about.
¿Qué más lo que ha hecho los Estados Unidos?
What more could the United States do?
Querer gobernar al mundo.
It wants to govern the world.
Ser el gendarme mundial.
¿Cómo?
El gendarme o
To be
policía mundial.
the world police.
Y para ello
And for that,
ha gastado millones y miles de dólares
it spent millions and millions of dollars
para la Fuerza Armada,
for the military forces,
de todos aquellos impuestos que da la población estadounidense.
of all those taxes that are paid by the U.S. people.
Por ciento, el 51% al ejército.
De esos impuestos,
Ajá.
51%. So like 51% of this goes to the military,
Y el resto, para el resto de áreas, salud, educación,
and the rest for the other areas like healthcare and education.
es toda una carrera armamentista
This is all the arms race
para dar terror y miedo.
to give terror and fear. Other questions, comments?
A question about the relationship between peaceful and militant resistance.
Una pregunta sobre la resistencia pacífica y la resistencia militante o violenta.
How they function in today's world, both in Latin America and other places.
Entonces, ¿cómo funcionan en el mundo de hoy esas dos formas de resistencia pacífica y violenta en América Latina y el mundo en general?
Bueno, en América Latina hemos entendido que la resistencia pacífica nos lleva demasiados años.
In Latin America, we've learned that the peaceful resistance takes us, too many years, a lot of time,
Y ya venimos desde la época de la colonización
and we've come since the time of colonization.
y la experiencia nos ha dicho que es necesario alzarse en armas.
And the experience has taught us that it's necessary to rise up in arms.
Por supuesto y respeto, hay países que han luchado con la resistencia pacífica.
Obviously there are countries that have resisted peacefully,
Y el ejemplo está en la India
and the example is in India
con Gandhi.
with Gandhi.
Pero había también una rebelión a la par.
But at the same time, there was a rebellion along with that.
Había una guerrilla
There was a guerrilla
que botaba y descarrilaba los ferrocarriles.
that, attacked the railroads
Y atacaba a los ingleses.
and also attacked the English.
Mientras Gandhi con su resistencia
And then while
pacífica.
Gandhi with his peaceful resistance,
Siento yo que ambas cosas funcionaron.
and so I think that both those ways functioned, worked.
En el caso nuestro, después de la guerra civil,
In our case, after the Civil War,
fuimos muy pacíficos,
we were very peaceful.
muy propositivos,
We were proposing things,
pero no nos dieron opción.
but they didn't give us an option.
Tuvimos que salir de nuevo a las calles.
We had to go out on the streets
Y en
again,
algunas ocasiones son muy pacíficas,
and sometimes very peacefully,
pero en otras ocasiones muy violentas.
but in other cases, very violent. Paul?
Entonces, ¿usted no se da problemas con las derechas políticas en Venezuela y Cuba? I asked if he didn't see, or what's his view on problems with political rights in countries of Latin America like Venezuela and Cuba.
¿Qué pasa con los derechos políticos?
Sí, si usted no ve problemas con lo que está pasando con los derechos políticos en Venezuela y Cuba, si usted ve o no problemas en ese sentido.
Bueno, yo podría ver, por ejemplo, en Venezuela que sí hay problemas políticos
I could see that in Venezuela there are political
y
problems
de derechos,
and of rights.
Y en este caso que se le terminaron los privilegios a las grandes corporaciones.
¿Cómo?
Que se le terminaron los privilegios a las grandes corporaciones.
Mm-hmm. And so these privileges wound up being for the large corporations.
Pueden continuar con su empresa,
You know, they can continue with their business,
pero ya no seguir explotando a la población.
but they can't continue exploiting the people.
Incluso salen en sus manifestaciones.
And they even are able to go out in their demonstrations.
Se atrevieron a hacer un complot juntamente con los Estados Unidos.
They dared to carry out a plot together with the United States,
Y ahí continúa.
and they still continue.
En Cuba es similar
Cuba is similar
y muy difícil.
and very difficult.
Todo aquel que ha logrado ir a Cuba
Everyone that is able to go to
es
Cuba
testigo de lo que está pasando.
is a witness of what's going on.
Ahí existe incluso oposición
There even exists opposition there,
y un sentimiento anti-yanqui.
and this sentiment, the anti-Yankee sentiment,
Y el bloqueo económico es sumamente fuerte
and the economic blockade is very strong
por la misma conveniencia que no funcione bien el sistema.
¿Cómo?
Por la misma conveniencia de los Estados Unidos.
Para que no funcione el sistema por
Para que
allá.
no funcione.
And the reason for this blockade is, again, because it's in the U.S. interest that the system in Cuba not function well.
Por supuesto que la derecha y el capitalismo
And obviously the right wing and capitalism
van a continuar obstaculizando y dándole problemas al socialismo.
are going to continue giving obstacles and problems to socialism.
Pero en ocasiones en el mismo corazón del capitalismo
But on occasions, in the same heart of capitalism,
se han formado cooperativas.
there have been cooperatives that have been
Y
formed.
eso se llama socialismo o comunismo.
¿Cómo?
Las cooperativas formadas y administradas por trabajadores o campesinos
Mm-hmm.
se llama socialismo y
Okay.
comunismo.
And, so there have been cooperatives that have been formed, and cooperatives that are formed by workers or peasants are called, socialism or communism.
Y satanizan el socialismo y el comunismo.
But then they, make, or the government portrays communism and socialism as a very evil thing.
Entonces no es la razón de ser de satanizar el socialismo,
So then the reason is not just to make socialism look evil.
sencillamente es la ambición a poder y más dinero,
What's really going on is the ambition for power and more money.
no importando atropellar el medio ambiente
It doesn't matter destroying or trampling on the environment
a nombre del progreso.
in the name of progress.
Y si alguien se opone,
And if anybody opposes that,
eso es comunismo.
then that's communism.
No sé si he podido responder su...
So I'm not sure if I've been able to respond to
Estoy
your
hablando
question.
sobre otro problema, estoy hablando sobre presos políticos.
Presos políticos. Bueno, allá
I said I was talking about another problem, I'm talking about the problem of political prisoners.
Bueno, sobre presos políticos, indudablemente cada nación sabe el por qué lo está haciendo, en este caso Cuba y Venezuela.
In relation to political prisoners, obviously each country knows why it's doing that, in this case, Venezuela and Cuba.
Si hay algún general en Venezuela preso
If there's a general in Venezuela that's in prison,
porque hizo un complot y un golpe de Estado
it's because he participated in a coup
en contra de la democracia en ese país,
against the democracy in that country.
porque Hugo Chávez
Because Hugo Chavez
fue bajo elección popular.
went to popular election.
Y lo mismo es en Cuba.
And the same in Cuba.
Y con experiencia le digo lo siguiente.
And with experience, I tell you that the following.
Hay presos políticos, entre comillas, salvadoreños en Cuba.
There are political prisoners, in quotation marks, Salvadoran political prisoners in
Porque
Cuba.
un cubano apoyado acá en Miami por los Estados Unidos,
Because there was a Cuban that was supported from here in Miami by the U.S.,
Posada Carriles,
Posada Carriles,
llevó y entrenó a salvadoreños para poner bombas en Cuba.
he then went and trained Salvadorans how to place bombs in Cuba.
Y ahí están los presos políticos.
And, there are the political prisoners. Other questions, comments? Mm-hmm.
What do you think of the United Nations and what I see going on in our country, and and I've had this told to me by people in the Council of Foreign Relations, is they're trying to bring about, and Bush's father even brought it up, bring about this new world order and a one world government. And I don't really think it's so much our country, because our country's going down the tubes financially and being sold out. And I'm curious if you think that what your perspective of the United Nations is.
La pregunta es en relación a su perspectiva, su opinión sobre las Naciones Unidas. Por ejemplo, hay algunos que están impulsando como haber un gobierno mundial y todo eso, y nuestro país tiene problemas también. Bueno, más o menos la pregunta es que, ¿cómo ve usted las Naciones Unidas? ¿Está jugando un buen papel o no?
En lo personal, yo considero que las Naciones Unidas no está jugando un buen papel.
Personally, I don't think that the United States or the United Nations is playing a good role.
El simple hecho que los Estados Unidos
The simple fact that the United States
haya invadido Irak
has invaded Iraq
sin haberle dado la autorización a las Naciones Unidas,
with the United Nations not having given the authorization,
le está diciendo
is saying
del autoritarismo
authoritarianism
y de la manipulación que hacen los Estados Unidos.
and the manipulation by the United States.
Entonces no está jugando un papel importante.
And so it's not playing an important role.
Lo que pasa en Palestina,
What happens in Palestine,
muchas cosas de violación a los derechos humanos,
a lot of cases of violation of human rights,
las torturas que hacen los mismos Estados Unidos en Guantánamo
the torture that's being done by the United States in
y en los
Guantanamo,
países que ha llegado.
and in the countries in which they've arrived,
Y
come
las
to.
Naciones Unidas no le hacen nada.
And the United Nations doesn't do anything. También algunas palabritas para terminar y podríamos seguir de una forma más informal.
Tal vez despidiéndome con una profecía de un indígena de acá de los Estados Unidos.
Bueno, a ver cómo me va con el inglés, pero sí.
Bueno, quiero despedirme de ustedes
I would like to bid you farewell
con una profecía de un indígena de Seattle, acá en los Estados Unidos.
with the prophecy from an indigenous leader from Seattle here in the United
En
States.
aquel entonces tuvo la proyección de lo que hoy iba a pasar.
And at that point in time, he had the vision of what was going to be happening now.
El gobierno federal de los Estados Unidos en aquel entonces
The federal government of the United States at that time
quería las tierras de estos indígenas.
wanted the lands of these indigenous people.
Y se negaba a entregárselas porque consideraba sus tierras sagradas y de sus antepasados.
And he refused to give that land over because he viewed that land as being sacred and of his ancestors.
Se las quiso comprar
And then the government wanted to buy them,
y lo negó también.
and he also denied that, said
Al
no.
final, a punta de fusil y masacres,
And then, through the point of rifles and massacres,
diezmaron a los indígenas
they wiped out the indigenous.
y tuvo que entregar las tierras,
And he had to hand over the land.
no sin antes decir lo siguiente:
But before saying the following,
el blanco se dará cuenta demasiado tarde,
the white person will realize too late,
después que haya contaminado nuestros ríos,
after they have contaminated, polluted our rivers,
mancillado nuestra tierra,
damaged their land,
marchitado nuestros bosques,
dried up our forests,
extinguido los peces y animales,
extinguished the fish and the animals,
que el dinero no se come, el papel no se come.
that money you cannot eat money.
Y efectivamente estamos luchando precisamente ante esa profecía de nuestros indígenas.
And we're we're struggling in relation to the prophecy of these indigenous.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much. And if you have any more questions, you'd be more than welcome to come up front.